When I'm way down in my stock charts and gold and silver's down, laughter through the tears is the favorite emotion around. Oh, thanks for joining me on this Sing Fest Tuesday. It is just another Sing Fest Tuesday. Whoa. You see, the height of today's unglorious portfolio news was that I was down $60,151. We've since lessened that loss to $43,321. Well, $335. See that red right there? Red rum. What do we have going on? We have pending orders of trying to get my SLV calls closed, the $30 calls for a penny each. That'd be $20. I've got the AGQ $44 calls also on the board. If you want to close them, let's close them. They don't go down to a penny, so the bid and ask is between 5 and 10. I put the 5 up there. We'll see what happens. I don't think they're going to close now. According to my fingers crossed silver and gold investing thesis, let's go to the activity today because it was fast and furious with a lot of tears and Bloody Marys involved. Okay, first things first, TMF, I got stopped out, lost $650. I had the right thesis. Let's go to the board. Yes, TMF. I just didn't have enough room in the stop loss, which win some, lose some. You see that? It's already turned up real nice. Turned up real nice from where I was stopped out, which was what, like 51? Yeah, right. Really? It was more like, look, it still goes up. So instead of losing all that money, I'd be making dough, but that's the breaks. That is the breaks. So we locked in that $650 loss. And then here's what we did. Here's the spending spree we went on. I just bought all the way downtown to Chinatown on AGQ, which is a 2 times bull on silver. This morning, I think it was pre-market, I spent $40.36 per share in 2,000 shares. That was $80,720. Then went on a nice long walk with the lady friend and Stella Bella and came back, bought 3,000 more shares as we were playing Chutes and Ladders downtown to Chinatown, 38.53, which was a total of $115,590 spent. Then we just kept buying, bought another 1,000 shares for $38.22, another 1,000 shares at $37.74. And currently AGQ is trading at $38.29. So we've surpassed these two bottom marks, right? Then I bought 1,000 shares of SLV. That is the silver ETF for $27.67. That's currently at $27.69. Whoa. Re-entered some more leap positions. Bought 50 contracts yesterday, and then I did back-to-back 100 contracts today. Spent $58,000 and $57,000 for those. Nug T, that is a 2 times bull on gold. Miners spent $1,000. I mean, I bought 1,000 shares at $46.43. Then GDX started buying that downtown to Chinatown. Let's see, 1,000 shares at $43.51. GDXU, I should say, which is a 3 times bull on GDX, the gold mining ETF. $43.51, 1,000 shares at $42.21, 1,000 shares at $41.86, and it's currently at $42.19. So we've surpassed that final tranche and making our way back up through here. So overall, confident. In the meantime, I could still be losing parts of my shirt on all these positions. So look at that thing. Ugh, man. So let's see. What did we buy that for? What did we buy that for? Where are you at? TMF 52.36. So we'd be up 120 right now instead of down the, what was it, 650? Yeah, the 650 that we lost. Well, we're going to try to make that up today on a reversal on silver and gold. Silver and gold. Sometimes making me cold. Let's look at gold first because I wanted to look at the big at the picture. Why? Because that's what makes me feel good. So if we go back here, let's see. So this would be like November of 23, made this run up. This is GLD, by the way. GLD gold ETF. Big head. Let's just move the big head of one moment here. Move the big head there. So it went up here in early December to 192, retraced to only 184. Back up, bloop, 194, and then down. Let's see, we'll follow it all the way down to here to 184. Okay, then it went, hello. Hold on, put your hand in my pocket and hold on to my rocket. Edit that. That's disturbing. That is a line from a Kiss song. So don't hate the player, hate the game. Went all the way up to 225. Ballistic. See that? Ballistic. And only retreated down to 211. Then back up to 226 and down to 1163. Hey, back up here. 230 or 229. Retreated to 223. Back up here. 234, consolidated sideways, and then busted its way up to here, 247, and now it's retreating just a bit. Okay, so what I take away from this is higher highs, higher lows. Hello. That's what we want to see. We got the BRICS meeting later this month. They're going to say, forget you Americans. We will have our own currency. It shall be called the unit and will be backed by God's money, 40% the gold. I don't know what accent that is, but it's one of those BRICS countries' accents. I was looking, and I told you this yesterday, I was looking for a 240 handle to get into the GLD leaps, and I'm still watching. Somebody's watching me. I may do that anyways. We'll see. We shall see. So that's gold. That's GLD, aka gold, silver. I did have a mental line in the sand for today, and you see this is like it's literally played out a bit aggressively, but how we said it would. So like for instance 2, we didn't count that candle, but you could of course and probably should count that candle. But we got our 2 there, 3 here, 4 there, and then this 5 definitely did get extended. Move this chart and then move your head. Keep moving it up. Just a little more. Hang in there. Whoa, where is the bottom of this thing? Move your head. Thank you, sir. Let's compress this just a little. A little more. Oof. Okay, so let's move these down. Let's move the C and the 5. Is that? Nope. Still could be more. For now, we're going to say that's the bottom, baby. At least that's what I have my fingers crossed saying as we speak. And the line in the sand was 30, and it got down to 30.11. Hello. Now it's since turned back up to 30.35, and we'll just keep watching it. I'm pretty sure I'm done buying today. You better be. Crazy kook. But I'm looking for this to possibly be the final gentleman's entry on silver before we go ballistic. It could consolidate for 3 months. Don't say that. Man, you're as schizophrenic as can be today. Bitcoin? Okay. Bitcoin, look what it's doing. Look, we put this line in here yesterday, both of us together, and look what it's doing. It's following the C. And I think we're going to catch a 60 handle. Just like I said yesterday, I thought we were really going to be heading towards a 30 candle and or a 30 handle, because I had that 5 up here at like 30.80, and we did. We busted right through it, but we're still in that 30 handle, and that's where I want to see it stay. If it gets into the 29s, I don't know. I was going to tell you what I was going to do, but I don't know. Possibly. Would you get this off the screen? It's making my butt stink. All the money we could have made versus the money we lost. Par for the course. Win more than lose some, right? I always say. Move the head down. Whoa, head's moving all around. Okay, so that is it. It's been a very nerve-wracking day. buying on the way down is part of the emotional and psychological, is it learning, discovery, probably discovery. Like, how do I feel when I do those things? I've definitely gotten more and more resilient in doing them, especially when I think I have a strong bull case for the future. We're still messing around as far as before this thing takes off, as I still think S&P's got some room to go up, like maybe 58 to 50, no, probably 5,800 all the way to 6,000. What? You're crazy. I think it has a shot. I'm not putting any money on it yet, but it has a shot. But all the four horsemen of hope all down today: gold, silver, Bitcoin, and oil. But we're going to hang in there because we live to trade another day. And I think as soon as tomorrow, this thing could be back in business. At least maybe back to, I don't know. I'd like to put 10,000 more on today. So I'd love to be finished the day above 2250. So we'll track that. Might even come back for a little before close update to see if that played out properly. But I mean, the low could not be in. It may not be in yet for gold and silver. But I think it's in, at least for silver. Yeah, probably gold too. We'll see. We just got to keep trying to be on the right side of the probabilities. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video with a lovable friend. Oh, update on the irregular EKG. Doctor said, look, I really don't have any concerns once we get that stress test results, which isn't until the 22nd. Don't lose any sleep over it. And it's perfectly safe to travel. Don't do anything too outrageous. So I can't promise that, though. But I'll keep you posted on the heartburn/irregular EKG and then stress test results. Yeah, I mean, I know I act like I'm 12, but I'm 53 years old. I'm an old man. And I'm the only one on either side of the family, only adult on either side of the family, not on blood pressure medication. And my blood pressure is still very reasonable. This morning's was 122/88. I know that bottom number is higher than I like, but when I did go see the doc last week, it was exactly 120/80. When I'm in shape, it's usually 110 and over low 70s. I know I'm boring you right now, but I just wanted to, let's get to know each other. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend. I'll see you in the next video. Yes.